everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Liza here if you are new around here, and today I'm going to be doing a Homesense haul. Now I'm in a bit of a different location because I'm standing up today because I've got so many items, but they're quite big, so I want to be able to show you them properly, and I've got so many gorgeous bits for spring. There's so many nice bits in there when I went shopping the other day, so if you want to see my what's new in Homesense video, then I'll leave a link down below for you so you can see some other items that are in store at the moment. They've got so many gorgeous bits, but if you want to see what I've been buying, then just keep watching. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with this Easter wreath. So I've never really had an Easter wreath before, but I just thought this was beautiful. So I got this, and I just thought these colours are so gorgeous, and I thought it would look really pretty on my front door. So this wreath was, let me see, $14.99, which I don't think is too bad. You could probably make one of these if you were quite creative. I haven't really got the time at the moment to make anything like this, so that's why I bought this one. But I thought this was just really, really pretty. It's got the little eggs on there, like sparkly, and also some gorgeous flowers as well. And I thought I could just keep this every year and reuse it. So yeah, that is my little Easter wreath. Where am I going to put it now? There's just like stuff everywhere, hold on. The next thing I bought was for outside again, and it's a hanging basket. We always buy the artificial hanging baskets because I'm not really the best of plants, and they, you know, they stay looking pretty for longer. So I bought this one this year, and I think it's gorgeous. I am going to cut it a little bit though because it's a little bit too big, but it's just this big white, I think it's like hydrangeas in there, and I thought that was really gorgeous. This was $29.99, but considering it's obviously going to last me all year and possibly next year as well, I think it's really worth it. But yeah, I think it's so pretty. They had loads of bright colours in. They had orange, pinks, purples, all sorts. They didn't have any kind of like mixed colours, which I thought would be nicer. That's why I went for the white one, because I just thought it's timeless and it just looks really pretty. So I'm really happy with that one. And again, that was $29.99. The next item I picked up was this basket. It's kind of like a basket slash tray. I'm going to use this as a tray to kind of display all of my Easter items on the island in my kitchen. And I just thought this is really pretty. It's kind of that baby blue, really gorgeous for spring. And it's actually from Laura Ashley, which I didn't even realise. It's got the little logo there. So it's from Laura Ashley, and it's also got a little handle on there as well, which is so cute. I just thought that was beautiful. And that one was, let me see how much that one was. It's a garden trug, that's what it's called, and it was $9.99 and it was supposed to be $19.99. So I'm really happy with that, and I think it's going to look really beautiful on the island when I kind of decorate it. I picked up this little Easter bunny, which I thought was adorable. It's just a little sparkly. It's kind of like a champagne-y white gold, I would say. He's not like really gold. So yeah, sparkly little rabbit, and that was only $3.99, which I thought was really good. And again, another piece that I can get out for Easter time every year. So that is my little Easter bunny. I then got this little Easter egg kind of tea light holder, which again is really sweet. I went for the blue again because our kitchen has got like a navy blue island, so I like to accessorize it with kind of blue items, and I thought this was really pretty. It's got like the gold bunny in there, and I just thought these two look really sweet together. So I'm going to get a nice little tea light to go in there and then display that one in my kitchen somewhere. So I was really happy with that, and that one was $3.99 as well. I got a couple of other Easter items. I picked this rabbit up, which I just love. This has got that kind of like farmhouse vibe to it, do you not think? It's just so gorgeous. So if you don't want to go too crazy with like the Easter decorations, I think this is like a nice understated piece to have, and I just love it. So it's like this wooden rabbit, and it's just in that kind of washed oak kind of effect. It looks more grey on camera than I think it is in person, but I absolutely love this. I'm just gonna have it around all the time. I just love it. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Again, it might go on my Easter display on the island, but I just thought that was absolutely beautiful. And that one was $9.99, which I thought was really good. I also picked these up for my display. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but they're just little Easter eggs, like display ones. And that was $5.99 for all of these. They're in like a little cagey kind of, I don't know what you call this, packaging. I could display them like this, or I might get them out and then dot them around somewhere. So I thought that was really cute as well. I then grabbed some of these little gift boxes for Mother's Day. Mother's Day would have already been by the time you've watched this, but if you celebrated, then I hope you had a lovely Mother's Day. So I got this for my mum and my mother-in-law. Just a cute little gift box that's pink inside, and I thought that I could put some like little beauty items or pamper bits in there, so I'm going to do that this weekend. They were $2.99 each, which was really good. You could use these for anything, so you could use this to even put your own makeup in or put your nail varnishes in. You can use it for gifts, or you can use it for your jewellery. anything really. They've got loads of gorgeous gift boxes in there, and I just thought that was really pretty, and again, very spring summery. Right, we're getting to the end of the bag now. So the next item I bought were these tea towels, and I just thought, how fun are they for spring? I just thought they were gorgeous. They are kind of that, like, I don't really know, it's not microfiber, but it is that kind of soft material, like a microfiber cloth, I guess. So it's not really going to be that practical when it comes to drying. I just thought they would look really fun and cute in the kitchen, so I got those, and they were £5.99 for 2. I'm just so in love with the colours. I think they look beautiful, super bright and fun for spring and summer. The next item I bought was this gorgeous blanket. So it's just a nice throw, and it's super soft, which is lovely, and it's just got the kind of white tassels on the end. It was nice and fresh for spring, not too bright and in your face, so I want to put this in my living room, so I didn't want it to be too crazy, but again, it is really lovely for spring. And this one was £16.99, and I actually bought this to go with my final item of the haul, probably one of my favourite items again because it's really fun, and it is this lemon cushion. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, I wish I bought more of these, but I actually plan to put this on my chair in my living room. So I've got like an IKEA, I don't know what it's called now, but basically I've got an IKEA chair in the corner which I always sit in when I feed Orlando, and I just thought this would look gorgeous on it, and it just looks so nice. So I'm really happy with that, and I thought those together would look beautiful on the chair, and again, very nice for spring. So yeah, love that. It's green on the other side, and it was £9.99 to buy. They've got loads of cushions in there at the moment. They've got brights, pastels, neutrals, everything you can imagine, they've got it. I love how Homesense really embraces each season. You've got Halloween, Easter, Christmas as well, and they're just so good for those kind of things. Really happy with all of my purchases. Let me know what you think of everything I bought today. It was a really nice mix, I thought, and I just love everything. So I can't wait to go and style them all now and use them, because I've been waiting to kind of do this haul to actually get them out of the bags and stuff. But now I can finally use them, which is amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Let me know what your favourite item was in this haul down in the comments down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.